In this video, I'll take you through a tour and review of cabin number 6402, an ocean view balcony stateroom located on deck 6 on the port side of the Carnival Vista. Rising into the cabin, you'll find the card slot that powers on the room. Just make sure the card is pushed in all the way, as this is what provides electricity to the room. A few steps inside to the left, you'll see the snoozing sign for privacy along with the cabin's AC controls, which can be adjusted using the red or blue buttons. While the color sign doesn't make the room ice cold, it does a great job of keeping the cabin cool and comfortable. Next to the AC controls is the bathroom, with the light switches located just outside the door. The bathroom offered a decent amount of space, though I wasn't a big fan of the shower curtain or the overall color scheme of the bathroom. On the plus side, it included a power outlet near the top, which is great for plugging in items like an electric razor or even an electric toothbrush. I also like the adjustable mirror, which gives you different viewing angles. Inside the shower, you also find your built-in shampoo and shower gel dispensers. Directly across the bathroom, you'll find the closets, which offer plenty of storage space along with a full-length mirror that's handy for getting ready. There's also an additional closet with smaller shelves that works well for storing shoes or folded clothes. In this section, you'll also find the cabin safe for securing valuables. Next to the closets, you'll find the desk area with a chair tucked underneath along with the mini fridge in the bottom. The desk area is well equipped with two USB ports, two 120 volt outlets, a European outlet, and a light switch that controls the mirror lighting. Across the desk, you'll find your sofa and table along with the picture frame at the top. I gotta say, I found the bed to be pretty comfortable during my 8-night stay on the Carnival Vista. It was a bit on the firmer side but still very comfortable, and the pillows were very well padded and very cozy. One downside is that the bed doesn't have any USB ports for charging devices. However, you will find a lamp switch for lighting along with another switch next to the bed that controls the main cabin light, in addition to the one by the entrance. In this cabin, you will find a wall-mounted TV with Carnival's Hub TV entertainment system. You can see the ship's current location and itinerary, browse TV channels, watch on-demand movies, check upcoming cruise activities, and even view live deck cameras from around the ship. Next, let's head out and check out the balcony view for this cabin. On the balcony, you'll find two chairs and a small table. Below, you can see deck 5, a walking area that nearly wraps all around the ship. Here you can enjoy some great views and sounds of the ocean. And that should conclude the room tour of cabin number 6402 Ocean View Balcony Stateroom. If you guys found this video helpful or useful, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it and help the channel out. Until next time, peace out.